Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Infinix Hot 4DI device. Well, knowing how to fix a yellow screen on your device can be important for improving visual clarity and reducing eye strain. A yellow tint on the screen can be caused by various factors such as color calibration issues, display settings, or hardware problems. And by learning how to troubleshoot and adjust these settings, you can restore the screen's natural color balance, resulting in a more comfortable viewing experience. So let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open Settings menu on your device. Well, so here select Display and Brightness option. Okay, so here scroll a little bit and look for Eye Care option. After that, turn the toggle off like this. Okay, so now the yellow screen is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Infinix Hot 4DI device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.